No, they don't. Just these are the birds right now.
Those are birds, Amy. Yes. Why are you recording birds?
Don't worry about me right now. It already came by. It's a plane. It looks like a plane.
Because it was a plane.
Oh, look, there it is. I see it.
What, you see
It's a mimic. It mimics the birds.
So these are not birds. These are planes.
They're UFOs. That one is a UFO. You see that white thing at the tip? Sometimes they're full gold and they fly with the birds. Full gold spectrum. Even the maintenance men saw it with me. And they were on the roof.
Reflecting off the tips of the birds.
No, they were all, one was all gold.
It's just the sun. Oh, Lord, child.
Okay, I don't care what you say.
You have lost